What car?
My black one.
Why? Got
We
genuine car.
gotta go to Marriott.
All right, darling.
What are you going to Marriott for?
Loads of weeks too.
Because if I'm fully comp and Lloyd's fully comp, it's alright, isn't it?
I need to empty my breath through.
Because you said it's third party.
No, it's I don't think it is insured for other drivers.
Oh, it's not.
You have to have a fully comp. You would have to have a fully comp third party thing that allows
Oh, his
everyone to
little
drive
hands
the
are
car.
freezing.
Oh.
You're my
It's
angel.
like business cover one.
Hang on, Maxine.
Because I got a few that's on there.
No, it's an extra thing there, yeah.
That's the
Because like you
fifth.
get,
That's the
yeah, you get
No,
one
you're
by
the
anyone
fifth.
can
I'm
stuff
the
in your car,
fifth.
so
Yeah.
it's insurance.
Oh, right.
I'm gonna raise you as my brother, like Cat and Zoe from Standard.
Because Lloyd couldn't attend to me, could he?
I wonder if you should make him have it. He's had 4 rounds.
She's not my mother. Yeah,
But you
she
might want
is.
another 2 rounds.
No, I can impress the jump.
Oh, go on then. Quick as you can. He's wet, falls on. And
Fucking hell.
What? What? Shut up.
No, genuinely, I'm not taking the piss.
Wow.
I've got.
I won 50 grand. I'm fucking not joking.
Oh my god.
That's unreal.
You're joking.
He's won 50
That's
grand.
unreal.
50 grand, 50
Sorry.
grand.
No, yeah, I'm not joking.
Oh my god.
That's unreal.
You have to take us on holiday.
No, look at it.
no, well, let me see.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
as well.
Where?
You need wings for my mystery glass.
Get
Oh.
in, get in.
Cheers for the birthday. Cheers for the Christmas fan.
Oh my
I
god.
can't believe that. I'm shaking.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
I can't believe it.
You're gonna have to bring the national on.
How'd you claim it? Can you claim it today?
No, you have to bring
How'd you claim
Hang
it?
on. I gotta gather myself. Sorry about that.
It might not be open on the weekend. You're in lockdown and safe.
I can't believe that.
That's unreal.
Mum, each
I'm
way
shaking
have to
for
get
you.
3 numbers.
No.
3 are the same
50
to win.
grand, 50 grand, 50 grand.
I
Match
can't
3 to
believe
win.
it.
I'm shaking
I
for
can't
you.
believe that.
Quick, how'd you claim
Let
it?
me- I can't believe that. Alex.
Oh my god.
Have you bought me one?
I have.
But it's not going to be that lucky, is it?
It's not, you're not, yeah. Exactly.
Well, the
You're not
first
gonna-
bit, it was like,
Oh,
oh,
well
I want a
done.
fiver. It's like, oh, I want a fiver.
Check.
That sound that.
But have you won a fiver as
Yeah, I
well?
won 50
How
grand
much
and
you
£5.
Baby, what's going on?
Right.
Oh, I don't
Lovely.
know.
It's a nice.
Check in again for me.
Game 3, match 3 to win.
Yes.
Right.
They were what?
How to play. Claiming your prize. You must be in possession of a real scratch card to claim. For prizes £1 to £100, look under your sofa. Well, over.
Was it a joke? What is it? Oh, bastard! Oh my god, that's That's good. Oh, jeez.
That is so-
I won the